Hi all, this is Corona. Yes, it is Corona program. C till N. It is something interesting and different. World is full of happiness. People were living their own life on their own style. The day came. Yes, one virus, which is now controlling the world. Same Corona, COVID-19, got arrived on one country. People don't have an idea about it. It started to work. It spread it like this. Peoples got affected one by one unknowingly. It affecting all over the country. See here how the peoples are getting affected one by one. See the corona people denoting the affected people. See almost the entire country got affected by the corona. Actually, in real world, we have in the province and cities and most of separation over there. As a program, it having some limitations, so we have like this. The people started moving on from one country to other country unknowingly. With them, the corona also got spreaded. See here how the corona got spreaded on this country too. Almost this country got affected like previous. Peoples got moved from this country to other. Same, the corona got spreaded to the new one. The people are moving from one country to other country for their own purpose. Unknowingly, they are taking the corona with them. This what happened the entire world. The corona started on one origin. Right now, it affected the entire world. How we are going to prevent them? How we can able to control it? Let we discuss now. While moving itself, we have to identify and we have to quarantine them like this. The affected people moving to the next country, they are quarantined themselves. Even though the peoples got affected by corona in particular area only, not in the entire country, but we missed this chance. So how we can prevent now? Now quarantine the affected people will not work. We crossed the stage. Now we have to isolate all of them like this. See here, we are isolating the people themselves. This is the only possibility currently we having it. Actually, for controlling the corona, there will be a three possibilities. One is the entire world get affected and the corona went off the world. This is a one way. First, actually, it is not a correct way. One more, as per current evidence, we don't have the proof corona will affect again. That's what we are thinking. This is a one way. The second way, find out the vaccine for that, but still it will take the time. The third one, lock down the entire world. Right now we crossed a few of the lockdowns, but it is not effective that much. Let's we discuss about why it is not work that much. Let's see the previously affected countries. See here, the end almost the corona went out from this country. People who got affected, they got cured. The cured people will denoted as cured. Here, few of them got died because they already having disease. So, as per current proof, who don't have the immunity power, who having the disease, they are getting affected more. So this is the first one I told. Entirely it will affect and it will went off its own, but it's not the correct way. The second one, vaccine is in progress, it will take time. The third one, if you see here, people saw who is isolated themselves, they are not getting affected. So in upcoming few days, this affected peoples got recovered and this corona will went off from this area. So then the peoples can came out of their isolation. This is the only way we having in our hand. See here, somewhat we missed to control between countries and province. Now it's almost all over the world. What we can do now, this what we discussed. Only quarantine the affected people will not work now. We crossed the stage. All has to isolate themselves. I told the third option, lockdown. Yes, maximum 20 days of zero movement lockdown will entirely make it control. But we crossed almost 5 to 6 months of lockdown. But this is not that much efficient. We need the zero movement lockdown, at least few percentage of control. As a people, we have to understand the situation has to be responsible on this time. Please and must isolate themselves. Be separate, be safe,